We are the only major tankless manufacturer in the United States, and today we employ over 200 team members that live and raise their families in this community, and they come to work every day helping us delight our customers. In this building, we make some of the most efficient, highest quality water heaters in the world. These water heaters are made here by our team and are 25% more efficient than the traditional gas tank water heater. We look forward to partnering with the DOE to help fulfill our company's brand promise of creating a healthy way of living.
Who could imagine that in Griffin, Georgia, we have hard workers that have great jobs. We have a factory that builds a quality product that changes the lives of people. What I find is this: we're standing together, federal, state, business innovators, dedicated workers, showing that it's possible that we work together as a people and that we can build quality products in the USA and in Georgia.
This is a massive win for our community, and honestly, it's a really good example of what we can do when we work together. Don't care about who gets credit. We work together and we find and solve solutions that impact your daily life.
What you make every day, it's part of the American dream for you and your families and your community, but it's broader than that. It's part of the American dream for all Americans, all Americans. What you're doing with innovation and hard work is you're making it easier and easier and easier for everyone to get a hot shower, start their day clean and feeling good, end a rugged day with an uplifting cleansing and warming of our souls. And I can't overstate how important what you're doing is. Thank you for standing strong.